how to fix the App Store not working on your MacBook computer. So if you can't open or connect or download apps on the App Store, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now this will work on MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and also Mac computers as well. Now the first step is you need to go and click on your Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. From the left hand side, click on Wi-Fi. You can then toggle off the Wi-Fi like so, wait around 5 seconds and turn it back on. Now next to your network connection, press Details and then select Forget this network. You'll then need to press Remove, and once you're disconnected to the Wi-Fi, you'll then need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on General from the left hand side and scroll down and click on Date and Time. Make sure Set Date and Time Automatically is switched on, and also make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is switched on as well. Also make sure that your location is displaying accurately. Now finally click on VPN and just make sure you're not currently connected to any VPN networks. Once you've done all of this, you can then try opening up the App Store, and that should have now solved the issue. If it's still not working, you can come back over to System Settings. You can then click on your profile name, scroll down to the very bottom and press Sign Out. You'll then just need to sign out of your Apple account, and then you can try signing back into your account and loading up the App Store. So as you can see, I can now load up the App Store and start downloading all of my apps.